pause. Oh. Oh. Yeah. No. No. Oh. I'm not done with you. You may think I'm happy, you may think I'm sad, you may think I'm crazy, you may think I'm mad. But hang on to your seats and listen right here. I'm gonna tell you something that'll burn your ear. Hip hop, rap. I'm giving you all the microphone's rap. Well, I was born on the 7th of May. I remember very well that full day. I was seeing my mother bring it up time. I have to say, it was dark as night. Nothing to do, didn't want to leave. I was so happy, didn't want to breathe. I guess some people get a shot, one push was frozen and he'll be out. I'm telling you, that was a puzzle to me. I shout out, how'd you know I'm a he? Doctor shout, good Lord, you can talk. Hopped on my headset, I watch me walk. You didn't die, I learned that we a lamb bamboo and everything we do. Hip hop, hap, giving you all the words and rap. When I was 1, I started doing this channel. When I was 2, I ate soul fan. When I was 3, I started getting thin. When I was 4, I ate the dog's dinner. When I was 5, in band playing drums. When I was 6, I had a bag of plums. When I was 7, walked a bed with my sister. When I was 8, became prime minister. When I was 9, I closed all the schools. When I was 10, they made me king of the fools. Ah! So that's who I am. That's what I'll be with and Griffin, I Griffin, K, Griffin, me. That's what I am. That's what I'll be, Mr. Mike, Mr. 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 Me.